Meaning of inauspiciously.
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 Inauspiciously. Inauspiciously is an adverb that describes something happening in an unlucky or unfavorable way. It implies that something unfortunate or negative has occurred. For example, if a person starts a new venture, and it begins inauspiciously, it means that it began with some bad omen or event. The outcome may not be as desirable as expected, or things may go downhill from there. In general, when an event unfolds inauspiciously, it's typically an indication of bad things to come. It's often said that the first impression is the last impression, and if something starts inauspiciously, it sets the tone for what is to follow.